Turn on subtitles and select your language. Repeat after me.
May I have your pen, please? May I have your pen, please? Allow me to say. Allow me to say. I am plaiting my hair. I am plaiting my hair. I will try my level best. I will try my level best. I have a cat. I have a cat. It makes me happy. It makes me happy. How much does it cost? How much does it cost? Glad to meet you. Glad to meet you. It is expensive. It is expensive. How can I go there? How can I go there? You can go by bus. You can go by bus. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm at home. I'm at home. See you next time. See you next time. I didn't understand. I didn't understand. What do you mean? What do you mean? Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? What is going on? What is going on? How old are you? How old are you? I like to play outside. I like to play outside. My shoe is untied. My shoe is untied. What a cute kitten. What a cute kitten. I'm starving. I'm starving. I'm starving. I brought some snacks. I brought some snacks. This soup is delicious. This soup is delicious. I need food. I need food. Can I open the window? Can I open the window? May I join the class? May I join the class? What is the homework? What is the homework? I wish you a luck. I wish you a luck. It's really difficult. It's really difficult. The bus was late. The bus was late. Give me a chance. Give me a chance. Is it possible? Is it possible? I have to go. I have to go. I am sick. I am sick. I am doing really well. I am doing really well. It's all my fault. It's all my fault. I respect you. I respect you. Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. Don't spoil my mood. Don't spoil my mood. Sit wherever you like. Sit wherever you like. The door is open. The door is open. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Could you help me? Could you help me? What is the date today? What is the date today? I don't know. I don't know. Can I switch off the lights? Can I switch off the lights? I am on my way. I am on my way. Who is on the call? Who is on the call? I never do that. I never do that.